Hello, today I'm going to go through the features of the LocateTracker. This is the power button. If you press it, it'll show a blue flashing light, which means that it's charged, therefore it is on. There is the SIM port as well as the USB port. And to use the SOS feature, simply press the power button for a few seconds, roughly for 2 seconds, and it'll dial the 3 SOS numbers that have been set up in the LocateMotion app. And that is the end of this tutorial. For further information, please visit our website www.locatemotion.com and contact one of our live agents available business days 9 to 6 p.m. And check out our FAQs, and thank you for watching.